सच्चिदानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्।
भक्तों को मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis, mahants, Sri Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars, sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Lotus TV, Janashri TV, Ishwar TV, Sadhana TV, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha in so many cities, so many countries around the world. The cities sitting with us through two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, Toronto, Kailasam, Washington DC, Sripuram, Ohio, Prayag, Singapore, Singapuram, Kuala Lumpur, Palani, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad, Nityananda Nagar, Tiruvannamalai, Nityananda Nagara, Biddi, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Singapore, Singapuram, Kuala Lumpur, Palani, Ohio, Prayag, St. Louis, Tiruvanmiyur, Chennai, Nityananda, Varanasi, Seattle, Chidambaram, Singapore, Singapuram, Bangalore, Malleshwaram, Jorpati, Nepal, London, Kashi, Adi Nityananda Dhyana Peedam, Avattipalayam, Dubai, Vaidyanatham, Houston, Kalahasti, Dakota, Dunes, San Jose, Madurai, Hyderabad, Gupta Kashi, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, High Point, North Carolina, Scottsdale, Port Washington, New York, Grasse, France, Abu Dhabi, San Antonio, Hong Kong, Oman, Sivagangai, Scottsdale, Doncaster, UK, Jorpati, Nepal, London, Kashi, Anne Mary, Paris. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Yes. Listen. Today's satsang is all about doing. Yes. You had enough time and time extension, both, to complete the homework of discovering incompletions. Please understand. First, I gave time. Then, by the order of few devotees, I extended it. Even asking for more time to discover your incompletion is a one more incompletion. But I tolerated. Because you should not be using that as a reason for why you did not discover all your incompletions. Now, you know. You know. You got time. Now it's time. We can't afford to wait anymore. Listen. From today, we'll start moving towards completion. The first step you should take, listen. Now you wrote all the incompletions. It can be as less as 25, 30 or as huge as 1,000, 2,000. Now decide, from this moment these completions will not have power over your decision or cognition. Listen. Understand the meaning of this word. Even till you complete, these incompletions cannot have power over your cognition, your decision making. You can sit and complete all this day by day, one by one. See, it's like elephants. I have seen the temple elephants eating. they will catch hold of a huge bunch of sugar cans. They will eat those sugar cans one by one or 2, 3. But till they complete eating, till they eat also, they will not allow anybody else to come and touch that sugar cans. Once they declare it is theirs, it is theirs. They may be slowly eating or not eating. They may eat even tomorrow, day after tomorrow, but no one can touch it. Same way, you may complete tomorrow or day after tomorrow, but those incompletions cannot have power over you. Be very clear. Declare completion. Now, you know all this is incompletions. Understand? Completion works more with your conscious decision. Completion works more with your conscious decision. Completion is more a conscious decision, less a technique. Pranayama, yoga, all of them are more a technique, less a conscious decision. Completion, more a conscious decision, less technique. Means your decision plays a major role in completing. Then actual technique. If you just decide, now you are complete, over. I never did in my life sitting and reliving, going through or looking at that mirror 24 hours. I never did all these things. Simply my masters showed me, hey, this is incompletion. Drop it, over. So it is your decision that plays major role. See, this penning down is like an identification. Now what you pen down, even if it is 25 pages, you should paste it next to your bed. And every day, for next few days, you should read that and tell yourself, I am complete with all this. After a few days, you will be bored to read them because they have no more power over you. Then you can tear them and put it in the dustbin. You should feel bored to read your incompletions. Then you are complete. You should feel, what is this? This looks like somebody else had all this. Why am I reading? See, when I speak to some of the people come to me for healing, recently few people came to me for healing, psychological suffering. They came into India from both side Muslim countries after being tortured. And you know, worst thing, it is not that only Hindus are tortured in Bangladesh and Pakistan. Many Muslims are tortured and they run away into India for a peaceful life. So some of them came to attend the satsang and have the blessing. When I listen to their problem and the deep, I am honestly telling you, with all my compassion and love for that soul, I put my hand on them and attended to them, healed them. But for a moment I thought, oh God, thank God I was born in Bharat. Let us keep this Bharat alive. Because I can't even imagine this amount of suffering can be put into people. I was so shocked. Same way, I have seen some of the Sri Lankan Tamils who moved to Toronto and Malaysia, even in Tamil Nadu. When they come for healing, ask for healing, oh God, when I put my hand on them and try to heal, the amount of pain, only then you will understand all your incompletions are foolishness, because you don't have suffering, you just create suffering. If you have gone through the real torture in the life, you will not torture yourself, because you are too busy in handling the real torture. Most of the time the torture we create for ourselves is just because no work, like entertainment, you start creating. Understand? All the incompletions you wrote should look like meaningless. Till then, go on reading it every day and declare completion. When you feel some of them have no, you don't even remember them anymore, you can scratch them. I wanted all of you to do this very sincerely. One side, the authentic inner image, outer image, life image, others image. The other side, all the incompletions you are supposed to complete to achieve that authenticity. This is the process for authenticity. Integrity to Advaita, authenticity to Advaita, responsibility from Advaita. Responding from Advaita is responsibility. Enriching the world with Advaita, causing everyone to experience Advaita is the goal of me and our Sangha. Understand? Integrity, all of you know, it's very easy and simple. For practicing how it is, I don't know, that is up to you. But for understanding, it is very easy. Authenticity is what we are doing now. The whole process is about authenticity. To bring authentic Advaitic experience into you, this whole teamily exercise. Every day I wanted you to read all the incompletions and declare completion. These incompletions will not have any more power over me. And there are few incompletions maybe like a pain point in you. They will be the pain factor. Complete with them. Complete with them. Because today's satsang is all about the technique, all about the process. So listen. Even you understanding completion is a more a decision, less a technique, is very important for you to do it. Even you understanding completion is not much to do with doing, it is less to do with doing, much to do with understanding, deciding. Even you clearly understanding which part is tumor and which part is your body, which is your organ and which is the tumor. That understanding itself makes the tumor powerless. Understand? Tumor also gets power from you. The moment you understand it is not part of you, it loses power over you. The energy supply towards it is stopped. I wanted all of you to understand. Today's whole satsang is just this two words. One. Paste all your incompletions and the authentic identity you have to achieve, both, next to your bed. That's the first instruction. Second, every day read these incompletions and declare, decide, you will be complete and you will not allow these incompletions to be in your cognition or decision making. You will go on be completing it. Even till you complete. Just because you understood their incompletions, you will not allow them to be part of your cognition anymore. Just these two is what I want you to do today. I'll give further instructions tomorrow.
I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Nityananda Dhyanapeetham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.